kuthelekiswa umbono onokutshintsha impilo yabantu baseBerlin ngokumangalisayo.
This will assist because especially the horses are community-based. They need to assist us with children and teenagers who have behavior problems.
Amahashi akhoyo kweliphondo ay 360,000. Ithetha ukuthi we are the largest horse population in the entire country, especially in rural areas. Ithetha ukuthi masithathe uqoqosho sulfunqulele phezulu sikwazi ukuba sideliver in this site one of the best traditional horse racing trail ezoba khona kule area. Abantu beze bahlala ezitulweni benganqamanga behamba nentsapho zabo xa lijika ilanga bekwazi ubhejela amahashi akwizinga eliphezulu.
The main challenge for stakeholders was to bring the skills of proper care for their animals to horse owners and jockeys. The Department of Rural Development and Agrarian Reform conducted a pre-inspection for fitness, health and performance. The vision of Legends Gaming Promotions is to develop and grow traditional horse racing to a level where it does not only provide recreational pleasure but also generate local economic development in areas where it takes place. In the pursuit of this vision, rural home-based horse racing events will soon become highlights on the annual sporting calendars and social calendars in the Eastern Cape.
Sifuna manani wabakhenketi ba abeza eMpuma Koloni akhule ngokuba abantu bazabe bezephi beze apha eBerlin.
Some people call it the July in Berlin, but whatever you call it, it's such a magnificent event that we should all support.
The success of this race tells to everyone that even in the next coming years, we must continue to be part of it.
The event was successful in showcasing the province on a national platform, highlighting the province as an events and tourism destination, and successfully positioned the Eastern Cape as a host with a vision to be the country's #1 in time.